Hello children, welcome to lecture number 1 of lesson 5 Inside the Atom. Let us see first, can you recall? First, what is meant by matter? The term matter is used as a synonym of substance. Now, what is an atom? The atom is the smallest unit of matter. What is the smallest unit of matter? As told earlier, the smallest unit of matter is an atom. We have seen that matter is made of molecules and molecules are formed from atoms. In short, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which retains, that is, keeps its chemical identity in all the physical and chemical changes. Hence, students, anything that has mass and volume is a matter. Atoms and molecules are a part of matter. And atom is the smallest part of matter. It cannot be divided further. Students, some names and formulae are given in this table with some examples. We will solve some examples and you can solve the remaining ones as practice. Here in this table, name and formula of substances are given and you have to find whether it is an atom or a molecule. And if it is a molecule, then it has a single type of atom or different types of atoms. And lastly, whether it is an element or a compound. Students, to solve these examples, let's see first few definitions. First, the smallest particle of substances are molecules. Second, a substance whose molecules are made of one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called an element. And third one, the substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements is called a compound. First example, water. Its formula H2O. Here you can see two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Hence, it is a molecule. And as said, it has two different types of atoms in a molecule. It contains two different elements. Hence, it is a compound. Second example, oxygen. Formula O2. As formula indicates, it has two oxygen atoms. Hence, it is a molecule. Here, as oxygen atom is repeated, it has single type of atom in a molecule. As oxygen molecule contains single type of atom, hence it is an element. Third, helium. Formula He. As here formula indicates He, hence it is an atom. Hence, it is a single type of atom in a molecule. As helium is a single type of atom, hence it is an element. Next, hydrogen. Its formula H2. As the formula indicates, there are two hydrogen atoms, hence hydrogen is a molecule. As hydrogen, same type of atoms are present in a molecule, hence hydrogen is a single type of atoms in a molecule. Because of single type of atoms in the molecule, hence hydrogen is an element. Next one, ammonia. Formula NH3. As Nitrogen and hydrogen atoms are present in ammonia formula. Hence, ammonia is a molecule. As nitrogen and hydrogen are present in ammonia, hence it is a different types of atoms in the molecule. As different types of atoms are present in the ammonia molecule, hence it is a compound. Now next substance is nitrogen. Its formula N2. As two atoms of nitrogen are present in nitrogen, hence nitrogen is a molecule. As nitrogen, same type of atoms are present in a molecule, hence nitrogen is a single type of atoms in the molecule. As single type of atom is present in nitrogen molecule, hence it is an element. So student, now you can solve this table as a practice. And students, after solving, you can check these answers from the link given in description box. Children, we have learned in the earlier standard that the smallest particles of most of substances are molecules. So, most of the time, the smallest particles are molecules and not just single atom. The molecules of a few substances contain only one atom. So, very few substances are there which contain only one atom. Molecules are formed by chemical combination of atoms. So, students, from this we understand that the smallest particle of an element taking part in chemical combination is an atom. The concept of atom is more than 2500 years old. However, it was forgotten in the course of time. In the modern times, scientists, on the basis of experiments, explain the nature of atom as well as the internal structure of atom. It started with Dalton's atomic theory. And students, we will see this Dalton's atomic theory in next video. Students, complete the table 5.1 from page number 28 of textbook as a homework. Thank you students.